grows cold and silent, and the hills forget our names. I walk the paths of fading fire, through ash and ancient